We'll focus on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator part to see how to configure your account. Connect new account and configure main account. It synchronizes automatically thanks to a Chrome extension that you'll need to download the first time. Now that this account has been synchronized, I'm also able to synchronize the account of another collaborator, then send him this link. When he will open it, he will be asked to download the Captain Data Chrome extension and connect his account. Thanks to that, I can directly implement a process for him. So I did that on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. That was the first thing I wanted to show you. The second very interesting feature is the limits. On LinkedIn and Sales Navigator, there are commercial limits. You are allowed to do a certain number of actions per day, and if you exceed it, they will potentially log you out. Tell you exceeded the number of actions, that you'll have to wait before you can do more. And thus, the issue of automation is that you need to have control over these different actions. That's where the limit system comes into play. Let's have a look at Marc's profile, which has been synchronized. You can see there's a little button here, which allows us to access to the limits. And whether you have a basic account or a Sales Navigator account, apply the according limits. Let's choose Sales Navigator, and thanks to that, you'll see how many profiles you can visit every day, how many messages you can send, or how many connection requests you can do. The benefit of this is that the user doesn't have to worry about much. He can put as much pressure and request its Captain Data that will allocate the load. If there's too much today, we'll do it tomorrow. Now that you saw you could synchronize your accounts, synchronize your collaborators' accounts, and have a limit system to secure it. Let's see other authentication methods. For instance, let's take Drop Contact, which has a different authentication method, the API key. Here you need to give the name of your account to put its API key provided by Drop Contact. In the same way with solutions like Never Bounce, which are solutions allowing you to verify emails. You just need to connect a new account to Never Bounce. Retrieve the API key, paste it, and save the account. All good, the account is synchronized. So there are different authentication methods. Again, I can do it for myself, but tomorrow I could do it for a collaborator or a client. If I want my client to synchronize his Never Bounce account, I just need to share this little link with him, and he could do it the same way. Last authentication method we may not have seen yet. Let's have a look at Salesforce. You'll see that this is slightly different. It's actually native authentication, allowing you to connect directly. It's rather the same approach for Google Sheets, Limlist. All the integrations we have will behave in a similar way.